away to see Neil, who's doing a concrete cleaning job. He's halfway through it, and he says that the difference between what he's cleaned and what is yet to be cleaned is quite substantial. So we're going to go and have a look. There are over 9 million dwellings in Australia, and nearly every one of them has a driveway. Now that's a lot of concrete. We use them, we abuse them, but they treat us very well without complaint. So we just have this driveway here, and I want to show you the dirt and grime that builds up over time. A lot of times you don't even know your driveway is built up with dirt and grime because it builds up so slowly. If you have a look down here, you can see that that's actually quite black. And that's a combination of mould and bacteria that has built up over time. We use high-powered equipment that produces a lot of hot water under extremely high pressure. Combine this with the brushing action of our power heads and we're able to get a really good clean. Not only that, but we also extract the dirty water as we clean, ensuring your concrete surface and the surrounding gardens are left flood-free and not full of the dirt and grime off the driveway. To keep your driveway looking clean, make sure you wipe up oil and paint spills as soon as they occur. Both are absorbed by porous concrete very readily. Immediately mop up as much of the spill as possible with rags. Once this is done, cover the area with detergent and a little water and work in with a hard bristle brush. Pour hot water over the area and scrub again. Wash the area down with water after this. You may have to repeat this again, but it'll be well worth the effort. So, great result for this particular piece of concrete.